This is a quick introduction to the Corporal rocket kit from North Coast Rocketry. This is a semi-scale kit of a real missile that was used in the late 1950s to the early 1960s as a tactical battlefield nuclear guided missile. It's a semi-scale, so I'm not sure exact scale, but it's 2.6 inches in diameter and about 58 inches long. So it's almost 5 feet long. It uses in the back end 29 millimeter rocket motors. So you're going to fly it on F's and G's. Now this rocket does not come with a parachute, so you're going to need to buy the parachute separately. And it's going to be a 36-inch nylon parachute. So this is the Corporal rocket kit from North Coast Rocketry. You'll find it here at Apogee Components. Our web address is www.apogeerockets.com.